Okay, so without looking at the question exactly, if this is the way it's set up, you would share this with both. So you would get 1 to the negative 1/4 and 8t1 to the negative 1/4. And then you would flip them, 81 to the 1/4, 1 to the 1/4. So then you get the fourth root of 81 over the fourth root of 1. I believe the fourth root of 81 is 3. The fourth root of 1 is 1. So I believe the answer for this one is 3. So now let's do this one. Change this to a radical. Same idea. So 15 to the negative 1/3. It would then become 1 over 15 to the negative 2/3. To the 2/3. Sorry. So once you flip it, then you have to evaluate it and write it as a radical. So you'd write the 3 goes as the index and the 2 goes on the inside, making this turns into 225 15 squared. The third root of that. Now it says leave it as a radical. I believe that's the answer. If we were rationalizing the denominator, you would have to do it, but it says change to a radical. So I think you can stop there.